Ogbono soup is one of the most popular Nigerian soup, and in today's video that is on a bill of fare. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. We do easy cooking recipes, so please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. They don't take money, it is free. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my ogbono. So with this, I have to blend it. So I am going to blend it to get that smooth consistency. Then I'll get back to you. So whilst we are blending our ogbono, I have my fresh okra and then my fresh jute leaves. You can call it ademe, ayoyo, ewudu, and I am going to wash it very well, cut them behind camera, and I will get back to you. This recipe is inspired by our lovely, lively, gorgeous Ogom series. Before I get to Ogom, let's continue. So I have with me here my proteins that I will be using. Okay, I know my Nigerian friends, they love meat, but your sister here is not going to use meat. Okay, so I have my ogbono, my smoked fish, and then my crab, just one crab. I have added some water from the crab, and I will add some salt and then leave it on fire for some few minutes. After that, we are done blending the ogbono. So what I saw from Ogom's channel was she added palm oil to this and then beats it on fire, okay, so that it will be very slimy. If you've been watching me for some time, you know very well that I don't like slimy okra or anything very slimy. So with this case, I didn't want it slimy, and as at that time I was preparing this, Ogom was seriously asleep. I mean, maybe she was even snoring or enjoying. That is just by the way. So the only person I was able to contact for more information was Grace Adelegon. So please, Ogom and Grace are content creators, okay? Do not forget to follow them on all social media platforms. Their names will be on the screen. So she told me that I shouldn't beat it, I should just add it to the water on fire directly, okay, and that will not make it slimy or draw. And she also made mention of there are some of the ogbonos, okay, whatever thing you do to it, it will never be slimy. Some of them too, it will be slimy naturally, okay. So I was just praying that this one will not be slimy, but I mean, I'm mixing it, but I'm not beating it, okay? Yes. So now after mixing everything, I'm just going to add it to my proteins on fire. I added water to it earlier, which I did not capture. I am very sorry. So I'm adding the ogbono to it, okay? Yes. So at Ogom's place, after beating the ogbono, she transferred it on fire and then continued from that. I don't want it to be very long video, so I will plead with you to follow Ogom series, especially on her YouTube channel for her version of the recipe. You will love it, okay? Yes. And at this moment I was so happy because I wasn't seeing anything slimy. And I'm going to give you my honest review. You know, for me, I will tell you the honest thing, okay? I won't lie to you. If I like it, I'm going to tell you, okay? Yes. So I will give it a stir, and at this moment I will add everything that will add flavor, that will add taste to the soup, whether salt or anything, okay? Your seasoning, anything, you can add it to the soup at this moment. So I realized that the ogbono wasn't slimy, but it was thick some way, okay? And I should be honest with you, one thing I like about ogbono is it is very flavorful. It has some flavor. I don't know how I would describe that for you to understand, but it has some nice flavor. That is one thing I like about the ogbono. But for me to love the recipe or not, you will know it later. Okay, yes. So at this moment I've added my okra, and I think I am okay because it is not very slimy. Now let's just leave this on fire and allow the okra to become soft. I will go ahead and add some water to it to make it, a bit light, because it was very thick and I didn't want it that way. Okay, yes. At this moment, I saw Ogom roasting something on fire, and she was asking us, what is the English name for this? Ogom, the thing was looking soft. I don't know what you added. I don't know the English name. So, as a momone lover, I added more money for flavor. I am very sure what you added was for flavor. Okay, so I have also added my more money. Now I realized the ogbono was slimy, so I decided to add my pepper, ginger, garlic, and onions. When I prepare okra and it is very slimy, what I do is I add blended pepper to it, and the sliminess will reduce. That is why I added that late. Okay, yes. Now I'll give it a stir and make sure they become uniform. I don't want to see the ogbono somewhere and some other things also somewhere. Are you in Abuja? If yes, oh my goodness, I am so happy for you, because Ogom is into food business. If today you don't feel like cooking, or you are having some event, Ogom got you, and her foods are very affordable. So just contact her on her Instagram or on her YouTube channel, everywhere at Ogom series, and you're not going to regret. Yes, I've added my jute leaves and I will give it a stir. They usually add some leaves to their ogbono. I don't know, you can add maybe uziza leaves and those kind of leaves. Do you get it? Or spinach. Do you get it? Yeah. Anyway, I'll be bringing you more soups from Nigeria very soon, because I have a Nigerian mother right now. Okay, yeah, that is just by the way. So we are going to leave this on fire, and I want to add more leaves, so I'll be adding my ayoyo leaves bit by bit, so that at the end I'll be able to add everything. Now this is my honest review. Okay, I love the ogbono. The ogbono tastes so good, and one thing I want to tell you is that you can't taste food from a country and then conclude that this particular food from this country is very bad. I think how the individual prepares it determine how delicious the thing will be. Okay, this was very delicious, but I couldn't eat it because it was very slimy, and I'm just going to put it in my freezer for about 3 days, and I know very well that the sliminess will reduce, and I'm going to enjoy it with my ewodeme. Yes, trust me, it will be nice. So I recommend ogbono for those who have been blending their okra because they want it very slimy. Okay, you will love it. Or when you buy the ogbono, just add small to your okra and you will love it. Am I going to prepare ogbono again? Hell yes. I'm going to prepare it again, but this time around I'm not going to use a lot of ogbono, but I will add maybe just a tablespoon to my soup. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you Ogom and Grace for helping me out. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.